Certainly. Here are some Easter gift ideas. 1. Easter basket. Put together a traditional Easter basket filled with goodies such as chocolates, candies, small toys, and Easter-themed treats. Customize it based on the recipient's age and interests. 2. Stuffed animals. Gift a cute Easter-themed stuffed animal like a bunny, chick, or lamb. These cuddly companions are perfect for kids and adults alike. 3. Easter books. Choose Easter-themed books for children, such as stories about Easter egg hunts, bunny adventures, or the meaning of Easter. For adults, consider inspirational books or cookbooks with Easter recipes. 4. Art and craft kits. Encourage creativity with Easter-themed art and craft kits. These can include painting sets, DIY egg decorating kits, or even knitting or crochet kits for making Easter-themed items. 5. Easter decorations. Help brighten up their home with Easter decorations such as decorative eggs, Easter wreaths, table centerpieces, or festive banners. 6. Personalized gifts. Consider personalized Easter gifts such as custom-made Easter baskets, monogrammed Easter eggs, or personalized Easter bunny plush toys. 7. Spring plants or flowers. Give the gift of spring with a potted plant or bouquet of fresh flowers. Choose bright, cheerful blooms like daffodils, tulips, or lilies to celebrate the season. 8. Outdoor toys. With the arrival of spring, consider outdoor toys such as kites, bubbles, sidewalk chalk, or gardening kits. These gifts encourage kids to get outside and enjoy the warmer weather. 9. Easter-themed clothing. Dress them up for the occasion with Easter-themed clothing or accessories such as bunny ears headbands, Easter-themed t-shirts, or cozy Easter pajamas. 10. Easter egg hunt kit. Put together an Easter egg hunt kit complete with plastic eggs, chocolates or small toys to fill them, and clues or a map for a fun Easter egg hunt activity. Remember to consider the preferences and interests of the person you're gifting to ensure you choose something they'll truly appreciate. Happy Easter gifting!